in the FDC. I restrained myself before I got more facts. It's unfortunate that Museveni is playing with the same old script, but our parties don't seem to see through his deceitfulness. You saw how Museveni took over the UPC, and then after, you saw how Museveni bought the DP using Mao. Unfortunately, the same script is unfolding again. We hear scandals in the FDC. It's very unfortunate. However, I want to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that all that Museveni can do, Museveni can buy out, compromise leaders, or tear apart opposition political parties, but he can never compromise the desire for change in the hearts of the people of Uganda. And that is why we came in as people power, because we are representative of the people of Uganda, regardless of how powerful a political party is in the opposition. If you leave the side of the people, you will fade away into oblivion. So, I want to encourage all of you comrades that are struggling for change, do not give up. For those of you in the UPC, in the DP, the right-thinking ones, and even those in the FDC, we share your misery, because Museveni seeks to paint an image to the people of Uganda that even these political parties have no hope. I want to encourage you not to give up, ladies and gentlemen. You remember that in 2016, Museveni said that by 2021 there will be no opposition in Uganda. I want to think that he probably had already sealed a deal with the opposition that he knew then. He did not know there was going to come another uncompromising generation. We are here. And we continue to tell him that if they sold you opposition, they conned you, let them give you back your money. You can only buy a few individuals. You can only buy a few politicians, a few religious leaders, a few cultural leaders. You cannot buy the people of Uganda. They want to be free, and they will be free from you. Of course,